In this eLearning, we're going to be talking about cloning, users, preferences, queries, list settings, setups. So one of the things that really takes time in Wise Option is to set up all the different lists and the sizes and font sizes and queries and list settings. So every time you have a new user, it's really hard to teach or transfer all the knowledge and all the settings to that new user. It is now possible for you in Wise Option to create one particular user that would be your reference or source user file. And then from that source user file, on that source user file, you can set up all the list settings, queries, kind of create a standard start point. Then, whenever you have new users, you use that source file and just transfer all those settings into the new user's profile. The way to do that, you go to Data Professional. Suppose that I have created this user test and I logged in as the user test and I set up all the preferences and everything. And I have a new user here called Art. Arthur McCain is my new user, and he has nothing in his profile, list settings, preferences, none. So I'm going to grab everything from user test and transfer clone to Arthur. So first you select the source, which is going to come from user test, select clone professional preference, and I'm going to transfer all the things that I have from the user test into Art's profile. As soon as I click submit, it is giving me a warning message because when I transfer all the user settings and preference, the first thing Wise Option does is to wipe out everything that is under Art's name. So first is going to clean it up and then transfer everything from the user test into Art's profile. I click OK, a confirmation, because this is a major change. We've force a double confirmation, and that's been done. So now Art has inherited all the preference and settings from the user test. So today you've learned how to use cloning professional preferences in Wise Option. Thanks for watching.